To the Jackaranda Hotel, and look at this. This is from in Avon Park, Florida, and this is from the 1920s, and it's absolutely beautiful. I guess they got a coffee house in here. Sweetwater Coffee Company. Look at this. How adorable. So cute. They got it all decorated for Easter. They got the little bunny pillows. Yeah, it's all decorated for Easter. It looks so cute. All the paintings look like they're oils. And this is a hotel. All the little Easter pillows. They got all the luggage carts here. An old library. How neat. Look at that railing here. Look at those beautiful, gorgeous paintings. You're okay. And look at this, they got the bunnies all here. And this is the big fireplace, all decorated with the bunny pillows. And we're having brunch here today. And it is absolutely beautiful. Look at the big front desk. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Here's all the desserts. No sugar added, doesn't look really good. Look at this beautiful buffet. Oh my goodness. Look at that salad bar. Looks delicious. Wow. Nice. I guess that'll be it. Old elevator. And now we're going to be going up this ramp to this beautiful, beautiful sitting area. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. You guys want to be on YouTube? Look at how beautiful.
Hold on, let me comb my hair.
Oh, okay.
Say hi, you're on YouTube.
All right, okay.
You guys want to say hi to YouTube?
Take a shout out to my wife's business.
Oh, he wants to take a shout out to his wife's business.
Oh, okay.
If I'm on YouTube, come check us out at Sebring over in the corner across from Avon Health. It's called Exquisite Nails and More.
There you go. Wonderful.
Would you take a picture of me and my friend?
No, not right now. Cheryl, look at how beautiful this is. Serve yourself. 10 cents. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? This is just beautiful. Avon Park, Florida. Amazing. Just beautiful. The old clock. How neat.